Guys, DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how you find these winning plays and get in early, okay? And you got 1 hour free one-on-one training and instant support. And check out these testimonials. I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds of these. Guys are making a ton of money using the software.
Magic rust remover. I had this in like this for about, I don't know, maybe half hour. And I'm turning it over. And it's going to remove that other rust. It works really fast, takes rust off like magic. And if you trade stocks, check out DDAmanda.com. It's a really cool program. So what is this stuff? Well, it's muriatic acid. You can get it in the pool section of any hardware store, and it works like a charm. Look at that, just going bye-bye. If you leave it in too long, it'll start eating the metal, but it eats it real slow. But it'll take away the rust, depending on how warm it is. It's kind of cold right now, so it's taking a little bit longer, but if it's hot, this stuff will work really fast. And don't breathe the fumes, so do it outside. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's it. Bye. Check out DDAmanda.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these, because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.